Hello class 11. Welcome to the online tutorial sessions for economics. I am Avinash Lambert, your economics guru, and today we are going to continue our second chapter, which is consumers equilibrium. In today's video, we are going to study about the utility approach but in two commodities. In the previous video, we covered the utility approach in single commodity. So students, let's start today's video. Now, two commodities. In today's video, we are going to study about two commodities. You can take any two commodities. I have taken burger and sandwich. Right? Now, under the utility approach of two commodities, the consumer wants to buy two commodities. Right? In the previous one, in the single commodity, the consumer wants to buy only one commodity. But here, in the two commodities, he wants to buy two commodities. Right? Now, there are two conditions. In the previous one, what were the conditions? That the marginal utility of a commodity in terms of money must be equal to the price of the commodity. But the conditions in two commodities, the first one is the law of diminishing marginal utility must be prevailed. The law of diminishing marginal utility must be there. What was the law? Law of diminishing marginal utility, what was it? That if we tend to increase the units of a commodity again and again or one by one, then the utility, the satisfaction is going to diminish bit and a bit. So, if you are going to increase the consumption, the utility will be going down, and if you are going to decrease the consumption, the utility will increase. Now, the second one is MUX upon PX is equal to MUY upon PY. Now, what is MUX? MUX is the marginal utility of good X, and MUY is marginal utility of good Y. And what is PX? PX means prices of good X, and PY is the prices of good Y. Now, I have taken the example of burger and sandwich, in which burger is considered to be good X. Good X. Marginal utility of good X means marginal utility of burger, and sandwich is considered to be good Y, which is good Y, and marginal utility of good Y, which is marginal utility of the sandwich. Now, the price of one burger, 1 unit of burger is rupees 100. Yes, very expensive burger. KFC burger. Sandwich is also rupees 100. Very expensive sandwich also. Fine. Now, the first unit of burger gives me the satisfaction of 2000 utils. The second unit of burger gives me the satisfaction or utility of 1800 utils. Third burger gave me 1600 utils. Fourth burger gave me 1400 utils. Fifth burger gave me 1200 utils, and sixth burger gave me 1000 utils. Same goes with sandwich. The first unit of sandwich gave me the utility of 1000 utils. Second sandwich gave me the satisfaction of 900 utils. Third gave me the satisfaction of 800 utils. Fourth gave me 700 utils. Fifth sandwich gave me 600 utils, and sixth sandwich gave me 500 utils. Now students, we have to calculate the value of MUX upon PX and MUY upon PY. If we can calculate the value of MUX upon PX and MUY upon PY, we can see which of the unit is being equal to each other. Basically, we have to satisfy this condition of consumer equilibrium. And the first condition was law of diminishing marginal utility must be there. See, as I am increasing the units of the commodity one by one, the marginal utility of all of this commodity is decreasing. First, it was giving me 2000, then it was giving me 1800, then 1600, 14, 12, and 1000. See, it is decreasing. Fine. Here also, in the case of sandwich, as I am increasing the units of sandwich again and again, one by one, the marginal utility is tend to decrease. From 1000, 900, 800, 700, it is decreasing. So we have to satisfy both the conditions. The first condition is being satisfied. Now let's satisfy the second condition. Let's calculate the value of MUX upon PX and MUY upon PY. Now 2000 upon 100, PX is 100. 2000 upon 100, which is 20. 1800 upon 100, which is 18. 1600 upon 100, which is 16. 1400 upon 100, which is 14. 1200 upon 100, which is 12. And 1000 upon 100, which is 10. Now I have taken rupees 100 to make our calculation a bit easier. If it was 200, so it would be 10 and 90, 900, 800 and like that. But I have taken 1000 so that our calculation becomes easier. Now we have to do the same thing in sandwich also. Calculate the value of MUY upon PY, which is 1000 upon 100, 10, 900 upon 100, 9, 800 upon 100, 8, 700 upon 100, 7, 600 upon 100, 6, 500 upon 100, 5. Fine. We have calculated the value of MUX upon PX and MUY upon PY. Now see, which of the unit is equal to the unit, one of the unit of sandwich? There must be some unit of burger which is equal to the some unit of sandwich in terms of MUX upon PX and MUY upon PY. Now let's see. Is there something which is equal to 20? 20, 20, 20, 20, no. 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, no. 16, 16, 16, 16, no. 14, no 14. 12, no 12. 10, yes. Here it is. We got 6th unit of burger is equal to the first unit of sandwich. Both are equal as 10 and 10. Understood? Now we can write it as the 6th unit of burger, 6th unit of burger and the first unit of sandwich. Sandwich. Fine. They are equal. How they are equal? Because the value of MUX upon PX is equal to the value of MUY upon PY, which is 10. Understood? This 6th unit of burger is giving 10 and first unit of burger also giving 10. The value of MUX upon PX and MUY upon PY. Now, according to Marshall, the consumer equilibrium will be achieved when consuming 6th units of burger and first unit of sandwich. Fine. So this is the whole concept of consumer equilibrium. But it's not completed. There is still something which you need to learn. But for instance, for now, this is the consumer equilibrium. We have satisfied two conditions, which is law of diminishing marginality must be there. See, the NU is decreasing. MUX upon PX must be equal to the MUY and PY. So the 6th unit of burger, which is giving the MUX upon PX, the value is 10, and the first unit is giving the same value. So when the consumer is having 6th unit of burger and the first unit of sandwich, then the MUX upon PX is equal to the MUY upon Why? And according to Marshall, the consumer equilibrium will be achieved when we are consuming 6 units of burger and 1 unit of sandwich. Then we can achieve the consumer equilibrium. Now let's understand it more precisely. Students, actually the topic has been started now. You understood how the utility approach in 2 commodities, how the consumer equilibrium is established in 2 commodities. Now, this is the most important part you need to understand, because that's the part from which the question arises. Right? That was the easiest part, but this is where you have to use your brains. Now, let's start with the topic. I have taken one more example where, say, the good one, good X is your burger and good Y is your sandwich. Now, we have to establish the consumer equilibrium. We have to check whether the consumer equilibrium is there or not. Now, to have the consumer equilibrium, what was the situation? It was MUX upon PX must be equal to MUY upon PY. Now, let's put the values here. MUX upon PX and MUY upon PY. Let's put the values. 15 upon 3, 8 upon 2. Here the value of MUX is 15 and its price is 3. MUY is 8, the marginal utility which is being received, which is 8, and the price of that commodity is 2. Now, the value is 5 and 4. Here, this situation is not in the consumer's equilibrium. Here, this scenario is a bit different. You see, MUX upon PX is greater than MUY upon PY. Why? Because the value of MUX upon PX is 5 and the value of MUY upon PY is 4. Here, the scenario is MUX upon PX is greater than the value of MUY upon PY. Now, what this means? What this equation shows? It shows that the additional utility which is being derived from good X, the marginal utility, the additional utility which is being derived from good X is more than the additional utility derived from good Y. And this shows that the additional utility, whatever utility you have derived from good X is more than the additional utility which you are receiving from good Y. So that's the meaning. Now, in this scenario, where the additional utility of good X is more than the good Y, here the consumer, what the consumer is expected to do? Here the consumer is expected to increase the consumer will increase the consumption of good X, fine, and also the consumer will decrease. He could do both the things, or he could do one thing out of these two. He will decrease the consumption of good Y. So these are the two reactions which a consumer can give while in the situation of when the MUX upon PX is more than the MUY upon PY. Now the question arises, why? Why is the consumer is going to increase the consumption of good X and why is going to decrease the consumption of good Y? Because as we all know, the law of diminishing marginal utility. Now under this, you all know that if we continue to increase the units if we continue to increase the units of a commodity, then the marginal utility of that commodity is going to decrease. Fine. Again and again. That's going to decrease. If you are going to increase the unit, the marginal utility is going to decrease in the commodity. So, if you are going to increase the consumption of good X, suppose it was good X, now the marginal utility has increased. Now the marginal utility will decrease up to 14, or it will become 13, or it will become 12. As you are going to increase it again and again, your MUX will decrease. Therefore, 12 divided by 3, it will become 4, which is equivalent to MUY upon PY. Or you can decrease the consumption, where MUY upon PY. If you are going to decrease the consumption, your MU is going to increase, right? It will increase from 8 to 9, or it will become 10. Then you can calculate its value. It's 10 upon 2, which is 5. Again, your MUX upon PX will become equal to MUY upon PY. And student, this is your consumer equilibrium. By increasing the consumption of good X and decreasing the consumption of good Y, we can establish the consumer equilibrium. Fine. The consumer will increase the consumption of good X until and unless he achieves the consumer equilibrium, or he will decrease the consumption of good Y unless and until he achieves the consumer equilibrium. Now students, take a clear screenshot so that you can complete your notes. Take a screenshot. Friends, I have taken one more example. You are going to solve it. Now, in this example, I have taken the marginal utility of good X is 10 and its price is 5, and the marginal utility of good Y is 12 and its price is 3. Now, let's calculate the value of MUX upon PX and MUY upon PY. Let's see. It's 10 upon 5. It means the value of MUX upon PX is 2, and the value of MUY upon PY is 4. Now see, the MUX upon PX is only 2 and MUY upon PY is 4. It means that MUX upon PX is less than MUY upon PY. Is that clear? Now, what does this show? This shows that the additional utility which is derived from good X is less than the additional utility derived from good Y. It means good Y is more than good X. The marginal utility which is being derived from good Y is more than good X. Or you can say the additional utility which is being derived from good X is less than the additional utility which is derived from good Y. Now, in this case, how will the consumer react? When the scenario is opposite, how the consumer will react? The consumer will react just the opposite way, where the MUX upon PX was greater than MUY upon PY. Just the opposite of that. Now, he will decrease the consumption of good X, and the consumer will increase the consumption of good Y. Students, now I hope you have understood why is the reason. Again, due to the law of diminishing marginal utility, that you would be writing that in your paper, the question arises, why? First of all, you have to tell how will the consumer react. You have to mention these two things, and you have to mention the reason also. But why? Because of the law of diminishing marginal utility. Because if we decrease the units of consumption of good X, the marginal utility will increase. So that if we are going to decrease the units of good X, the marginal utility will increase from 10 to 12 to 15 to 18, or when it will become 20, it will become exactly equal to the MUI upon PY. Fine, and then the scenario will become equal to the MUS upon PS is equal to MUI upon PY. Or we can have the opposite scenario also, like we can increase the consumption of good X. If we are going to increase the units of good Y, the marginal utility will go on decreasing. Then the marginal utility will go on decreasing from 12 to 10, 10 to 8, and then it will become at some point, it will become exactly equal to 6, and thus the MUI upon PY will become equal to 2, and again the scenario will be the consumer's equilibrium. Understand? Now, I want you to take a eventually screenshot and try to make your notes by yourself. Use these guidelines and try to make your own notes. Take them from these notes and make your notes yourself. Now students, that's all for today's video. I hope you have learned the utility approach to commodities. In the next video, we are going to learn something more. So stay home, stay safe.